To deploy a Uniswap SDK setup contract, start by understanding the Uniswap protocol and its role in decentralized finance. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that enables users to swap tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. The Uniswap SDK is a set of tools that allows developers to build applications on top of the Uniswap protocol. First, install the Uniswap SDK by running the installation command in your terminal. This will give you access to the necessary tools and libraries to interact with the Uniswap protocol. Next, set up a new Ethereum wallet and fund it with some Ether to pay for transaction fees. Create a new Solidity contract that will serve as the setup contract for your Uniswap SDK deployment. In this contract, define the necessary functions and variables to initialize the Uniswap SDK and set up the liquidity pool. Use the Uniswap SDK library to import the necessary functions and variables. Compile and deploy the contract to the Ethereum blockchain using a deployment tool such as Truffle or Hardhat. Once the contract is deployed, verify it on a blockchain explorer to ensure that it has been successfully deployed. To initialize the Uniswap SDK, call the initialization function on the deployed contract and pass in the necessary parameters such as the wallet address and the liquidity pool details. This will set up the Uniswap SDK and create a new liquidity pool. After initializing the Uniswap SDK, you can start using it to swap tokens and provide liquidity to the pool. Use the Uniswap SDK library to import the necessary functions and variables to interact with the liquidity pool. Best practices for deploying a Uniswap SDK setup contract include testing the contract thoroughly before deploying it to the mainnet, using a secure wallet and following security best practices to protect your funds, and monitoring the contract's performance and adjusting parameters as necessary to optimize its performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully deploy a Uniswap SDK setup contract and start building your own decentralized finance applications on the Uniswap protocol.